Hmar, Inpui and Zomi Council have extended warm welcome to judges of Supreme Court who will be visiting conflict-hit Manipur tomorrow. In the press note, Hmar, Inpui termed the visit by Supreme Court judges as timely and significant. It further maintained that Hmar, Inpui will welcome the delegation in Ccpur and will also assist in all possible ways. On the other hand, Zomi Council Ccpur also extended welcome to Supreme Judges delegation to Ccpur. In the press note, the council maintained that the visit carries great legal and constitutional significance and reaffirms judiciary's commitment to upholding justice, safeguarding fundamental rights and ensuring fair and equitable governance under rule of law. It further expressed confidence that the visit will present an opportunity to hear concerns affecting the region and it will lead to concrete measure in addressing long-standing grievances by enforcing the principles of justice, equity and constitutional integrity.